Good morning, everyone. As you know, we're here to decide how to allocate next year's national budget. We can't fund everything, so if we increase spending in one area, we'll have to cut somewhere else.
If we don't put up taxes, we won't have enough money to maintain public services. Inflation is rising, and our deficit will grow even faster if we don't act now.
I understand. But if we raise taxes too much, the public will lose patience. Still, if we invest more in free healthcare, people will actually feel the benefits directly.
If we ignore military spending, we'll regret it later. The world is becoming less stable. If we modernize our forces now, we'll be in a stronger position to protect ourselves.
That's true, but if we increase defense funding, we'll have to reduce something else. What about raising the age of retirement to 70? If we do that, we'll save billions in pensions.
If we raise the retirement age, people will take to the streets. It's politically risky. If we limit the working week to 35 hours, on the other hand, people will be healthier and more productive.
That sounds idealistic. If we shorten working hours, the economy will slow down.
Not necessarily. If we ban cars from city centers and promote cycling, we'll reduce pollution and healthcare costs. The air will be cleaner, and people will live longer.
And if we host a major international event, we'll attract tourism and investment. It could really boost our reputation.
True, but if we host it without proper planning, we'll end up wasting public money on empty stadiums.
Fair point. So, if we slightly increase taxes, invest in health and the environment, and postpone military expansion, we'll keep the balance right.
If you promise to raise my budget next year, I'll agree for now.
Deal. If we manage this well, the people will actually trust the government again. Meeting adjourned.